creating scalable applications with Python and microservices. Microservices is an architectural style. It builds applications as a collection of small, independent services. Each service is responsible for a specific business function. Unlike monolithic architectures, where the app is a single unit, microservices allow developers to work on individual components. Why Python for microservices? Readable syntax. Python's clean syntax speeds up development. It helps teams collaborate. Asynchronous programming. Libraries like asyncio and frameworks like FastAPI support high-performance async operations. Best practices for Python microservices follow the single responsibility principle. Each microservice should focus on a single functionality. Use dependency injection. Make services loosely coupled for easier maintenance. Implement circuit breakers. Prevent cascading failures by limiting retries for failing services. Secure APIs. Use authentication methods like OAuth2 and secure data transmission with HTTPS. Case study. Scaling an e-commerce platform scaled a product catalog service to handle increased searches. Use message queues like RabbitMQ to process orders asynchronously. Cache frequently accessed data, like popular products, with Redis. Conclusion. Using Python and microservices to create scalable apps can build robust, flexible systems. They will grow with business needs.